First stop, the female body. Picture a network of amazing organs working together. First, we have the ovaries. These small, oval-shaped organs are like tiny factories producing eggs. An egg is a woman's reproductive cell, and it holds half the genetic information needed to create a new life. Next, we have the fallopian tubes, thin pathways connecting the ovaries to the uterus. Imagine these tubes as water slides for the egg. Once an egg is released from the ovary during ovulation, it travels down one of these tubes. Finally, the uterus, often called the womb, is a muscular organ that nurtures a growing baby. Think of it as a cozy nest preparing to welcome a new life. If an egg meets a sperm, the uterus is where the fertilized egg implants and starts to grow. Pretty incredible, right? But this is just the beginning of our journey. Now let's talk about the role of men in this incredible journey. Just like women have eggs, men have sperm, their reproductive cells. Sperm are produced in the testes, two oval-shaped organs located in the scrotum. These tiny cells carry the other half of the genetic information needed to create a new life. During sexual intercourse, millions of sperm embark on an epic journey. They travel from the testes through a tube called the vas deferens. Along the way, they mix with fluids, creating semen. This milky fluid carries and nourishes the sperm on their important mission. When a man ejaculates, semen containing millions of sperm is released into the woman's vagina. From there, the sperm begin their incredible race towards the egg. Talk about teamwork. Both the male and female bodies play crucial roles in the making of a miracle. Section 4, where magic happens, the story of fertilization. Here's where the real magic happens. Fertilization. If a woman has ovulated, meaning an egg has been released from her ovary, it travels down the fallopian tube. If sperm are present, they will try to penetrate the egg. Only the strongest swimmer will succeed. Once a sperm enters the egg's outer layer changes, preventing other sperm from entering. This fusion of the sperm and egg is fertilization. The fertilized egg, now called a zygote, contains a full set of genetic instructions, half from the mother and half from the father. The zygote doesn't waste any time. It begins to divide, creating more and more cells as it travels down the fallopian tube towards the uterus. This journey takes about 6 to 10 days. Once it reaches the uterus, the zygote, now a cluster of cells called a blastocyst, implants itself into the uterine lining. This is called implantation, and it marks the beginning of pregnancy. Wow, isn't it incredible how this tiny meeting of cells sets the stage for the development of a whole new human being? Section 5. Fun facts about getting pregnant. Ready for some fun facts? Did you know that a woman is born with all the eggs she will ever have? It's true. On average, a baby girl is born with about 1 million eggs in her ovaries. And here's another amazing fact. Sperm can survive inside a woman's body for up to 5 days. That's right, those little swimmers are determined. This means that even if a couple doesn't have intercourse on the exact day of ovulation, pregnancy is still possible. It's also fascinating to consider that every single person on Earth began as a single fertilized egg. Mind-blowing, right? See? Pregnancy is full of surprises. Section 6, a final word, celebrating the beginning. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible journey of how women become pregnant. From the moment an egg is released to the magical meeting with sperm and the amazing process of fertilization and implantation, it's a story of wonder, complexity, and the sheer power of nature. Understanding this process can help us appreciate the miracle of life and the importance of caring for our bodies. Whether you're planning to become pregnant, supporting someone who is, or simply curious about the human body, we hope this journey has been informative and empowering. Remember, every pregnancy journey is unique and special. Let's celebrate the incredible process that creates new life and the joy it brings to the world.